Правда біла зичина, правда біла сличина, а не Марія моя, бо цемент родила місто.
Alright guys, just received this in the mail today. So it's the new part for the gray E46. So it has the new connection, as you can see in my previous video. Here's the quick connect. Unwrap it. I already took the staples off of it, so that's what you probably see. Sorry for the camera. So here's the connection that goes into the evap. Oh, the heater core. And right here, this goes to the reservoir. So yeah, that's the piece right there. So guys, yeah, I just got the hose. We're about to do the install right now. So come over here. I'll show you. This top piece goes into the heater core outlet. So if you can see that, I'll point to it. That's the heater core outlet. This top piece right here, it's going to go onto that end. So I'll show it right now. So I fought a little bit with that one. So if you could go in there, I'll show you. It's a tight spot. It's a really tight spot. So you don't really have much room in this gap to get in there and try to push that hose toward that outlet. But I got it on now. All I need to do is tighten the clamp. Alright, so that's a tough one. You know, it takes a lot of finessing to get in between there, but it's manageable and it's doable. So after when you get that tightened down, you could route it down. There is a hose holder right there, and then route it underneath the air intake. And then you want to route that under all this. So the cable, that's the throttle cable there. And I think this is a wire harness of some kind, but you could just route that there, and there's another holder right here for the hose. So once you get that in there, let me get this organized here. That out of there. Boom. Okay, now we can route this in here. So before you do that, you want to pop the spring. There it goes. And then should slide on, and you should hear a pop. So there is a line up there. Let's before I put that on there, I want to show that to you. So here's a line, and there's a line on here. You can see in between right here. So that's where you want to line that line towards that and just push it in. There we go. Once you feel it snugged, pop that in and try to yank it back as hard as you can. And if it doesn't come out, then you're good. So I don't actually have the BMW OEM coolant, but this is somewhat similar. You could get at AutoZone. It's called the European Vehicle Blue Fluid also. And that'll be it. It'll be perfect for your BMW. Alright, I probably didn't mention that in the video before, or the earlier. but you do have to remove this. So this is your cabin air filter, and it holds these wires, one for your positive cable, but you need to remove that. And all it is a couple of torque screws. So I think it's T30 that you have to remove, 4. Remove that out of the way, unclip this from underneath the cabin filter holder, and after when you get that done, if you want a lot of room, I've seen people somehow able manage to get it right there, but I wanted to get up here, so I had to remove the air box to give me all that room. So that's the reason why I removed the air box.